how to turn off TalkBack on your Android phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off an accessibility feature called TalkBack on your Android phone, where it reads everything aloud and it makes it really hard to navigate. You also see some green boxes on your phone. I'm going to show you how to turn that off. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So first, if you're lucky and you see this little purple icon right here, that is the TalkBack shortcut. So we can quickly turn off TalkBack by simply selecting it once. And then once it's selected, double tap it, and that'll turn off TalkBack. Another way we can turn off TalkBack is going to be in the settings. Now, TalkBack makes your touchscreen act a little weird. So in order to actually select things, we need to first select them, then double tap it, and that'll open up those items. So first open the settings, then once you get into the settings, select the search box, then double tap it. And in the search right here, just slowly type TalkBack. If you type too quickly, it'll mess it up. Once you see TalkBack come up in the results, select it, double select it to open it up. Then you may have to open it again. So I'm going to select it and then double select it. Then where it says use TalkBack, select that, double select it, and then confirm you want to turn it off by selecting turn off and then double select that. So it's a little bit of a pain to actually turn off TalkBack, but now we've turned it off. If you have the shortcut, you can disable the shortcut by simply turning off the TalkBack shortcut. So that's how you turn off TalkBack on an Android phone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.